What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. First video ever, and we're gonna kick off this channel with a KA24DE build for all you budget guys out there. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so welcome to JC Boosted Cartel, and on this channel, just dudes trying to build their race cars, man. We're gonna start off this channel with a KA24DE. For my personal car, my Nissan 240SX, it's a 1993, and yes, I know every YouTuber out there has a 240SX. It's been done before, yes, but we just want to bring you guys along for the ride. Just two dudes, tight budgets, we work two jobs, pay bills, pay rent, everything that we have extra, man, goes into our cars. So when I was doing research for my KA, I noticed there's not a lot of videos out there for the KA. There is some, they are helpful, but there's not many. And this is how we got the idea to start this channel, man. Start off with the KA. Hopefully you guys learned something. Now, saying that, these are not exactly tutorials either. We just want to show you guys what we're doing, what works for us, what doesn't work for us. You guys could try it out, you guys could not try it out. We don't want to be responsible for anything that happens to your cars. But yeah, we're gonna be bringing you guys along, showing you how we're doing things. After my 240, we're moving on to a different car. You guys will see that later. But yeah, we're gonna bring you guys along. The point of this video, intro to the channel, and to catch you guys on what the car has done. Sorry, what has been done to the car so far. So let's go see the car right now. Alright guys, so this is my 1993 Nissan 240SX. Kinda. So I bought this car about 2 years ago. As you see it now is exactly how I bought the car. We've kind of been putting in the wrench time, working on it. I kind of wish we should have started filming all this before we did anything, so you guys can see exactly how it was before. But this is it, man. Let's show you guys what's been done. Alright, so under the hood, we got no engines, do we? So we pulled everything off, and we started painting the bay. We're not finished yet, as you can see. Some parts are sanded. We did paint it, came out pretty bad. Weren't happy with it, sanded it back down, and we're gonna redo it again. Hopefully it comes out clean this time. But check out this paint. It's gonna be blue, a lot of hot boy sparkles, man. Hopefully it comes out good. Starting off with the suspension, these wheels came on the car. They are XXRs. I am not sure exactly what kind. They are 16 by 8s. Got some Kumos, stretch tire, tiny little stretch to them. You can kind of see a tiny bit of lip popping out. As I said, these came on the car. Didn't bother to change them. They are kind of scuffed up on the back. You guys will see later. It's got a big dent. It's got some slotted and drilled rotors. Previous owner painted those red. Style points, 5 horsepower. Under here we got some BC Racing coilovers that came on the car. I'm not sure what series they are. We also have, let me move this out of the way, an ISR arm kit right here. Let's go to the back. Look, this is where I said it was dented. That wasn't me, guys. That wasn't me. You guys could blame me, but it wasn't me. Alright, so in the back of the car, we have these Type X rear valances. You can't really see right now, my mom's car is in the way, but here they are. They also came with the car. They were gray. We painted them white. And as you can see, fitment kind of sucks, but that's what you get with reps, I guess. I like them. It changes the car a little bit. And car also came with Type X tail lights, which is a big bonus. These are kind of expensive. And it also came with a Rocket Bunny style wing. Right, let's go to the inside of the car. And on the inside, oh shit, we got a mess. So what we've done so far, everything is stripped. As you can see, we painted this cotton candy pink because we're faggots like that. Oops, sorry, I don't want to offend anybody. I got a Corbo racing seat right here. You can see we got a NRG quick release and a short hub. Under all that, there's a Nardi personal steering wheel. Gauge cluster right here. So this is the inside of the car. It's completely gutted. We're gonna put the dash back on later. We're doing some stuff, trying to mess around, hide the fuse boxes under here. Didn't really work out. We're just gonna leave them in the front. This is the inside. Got a little drift button right there. So yeah, onto the engine. This is the engine right here. As you can see, we kind of have it taken apart. What we've done so far is painted the block black, took off the timing covers. We painted those aluminum color, kind of chromish. I painted these gold just to give it a little taste. It didn't come out so well. We took it apart because this is a stock KA. I don't know if I mentioned that already. Fully stock bottom end, fully stock top. Car says 295,000 miles. And when we pop this thing off, it's pretty damn clean here. No scorch marks. Everything's nice. No oil buildup anywhere. The reason I took it off in the first place was because I had timing chain rattle. We wanted to check the timing chain. This thing is really good. You know, tight. What we're thinking is somebody might have rebuilt this down the road. We're not sure when, so now we don't know the miles of the actual engine. But we got lucky, man. We scored with this. Pretty clean engine. Let's see, under here. Nice and clean down there too. What we've done so far, we just resealed everything. Want to make it ready for the turbo, you know, so it can handle the boost. After we seal it up, we're going to be doing the turbo. That's all the stuff you guys are going to want to see, the interesting stuff, you know, the fun stuff. You got our table full of parts and whatnots over here. The whole front end of the car is right there with the dash. I'm going to put that back on. Tranny. I'm going to do a short shifter. Got my clutch right here. It's a competition clutch white bunny kit with a 6-puck. Good up to like 400 horsepower, which we're not even going to be close to. So yeah, there you guys have it. Just a quick look at the car. That's the stuff we're going to be doing. If you guys like this, stick around. Next time we're going to show you what we're going to be using to turbo that KA. And hopefully you guys meet my buddy Chris next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, comment down below. Any suggestions, let her know if you like it, if you hate it. Subscribe, share to your buddies. Spread the word out there, man. All the KA guys, man. I know there's a lot of you guys out there. There's not a lot of support. This is what we're trying to make this video for. And stick around. Next time, turbo coming up. See you guys.